Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from Wahpinas.com, wahpinas.com. Actually, gabi na po. But of course, it depends on what time you're watching this video. So we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing of the Prestigio 3-axis handheld gimbal for smartphones. It is iOS and Android ready. But before you use it, you need to download Gimbal Pro from the Play Store. Okay? Now we're gonna open it. Actually, na-open na to kahapon doon sa store kasi of course, we needed to check if it was working. Okay? We bought it from Technopop. Okay? Technopop, ano yan? They have... tinamaan. Tinamaan. Sorry. They have 12 stores na daw. Dalawa lang alam ko kung nasaan. One is in the 4th Strip in BGC. And the one that I went to yesterday was in Eaton Centuries Mall. Yung kung saan yung may stasyon ng MRT. Okay? So may manual. And there's the unit. It's 2,790 if you're just gonna buy this. But if you want the case, which looks like a ping pong paddle, it's gonna cost you 3,299 pesos. Okay? So, it comes with the actual unit, the gimbal. Okay? And charger. That's it. Yun lang po ang kasama. Okay? You're not supposed to power it on until you have the app. Okay, so we're gonna power it on now. Okay, since malaki yung phone ko, I need to adjust the arm. Adjustable naman yung arm para balance siya. Okay, now find device. While I'm connecting it, let it find the device. It's Bluetooth, so the Bluetooth needs to be open on your phone. Okay. Back. Confirm. Okay. Gimbal. Okay. On ba ang Bluetooth ko? Parang hindi yata. It's on. Okay. So, find device. Hindi pala nag-on. Thanks. Okay. You need to press pala long. About 2 seconds until the second blue one turns on, the blue light. Okay, so it's there. Ayan, finding device. Once mag-connect yan, bakit gano'n? Connected ka na. Okay, so yan, you can control it na with this button. Okay, controller. Okay, quick the one on the right side is for zooming and zooming out. Okay, you press it down, it zooms in. You press it up, it zooms out. Okay, at the back, okay, kita nyo, is the shutter button. It takes a picture or a video. Okay, narinig nyo? Okay, and on the left side is where you charge it. There's a micro USB port, and there's a USB port. Kung lobat ka na, you want to use the power from the gimbal to charge your phone, which I think it's hard, especially with the Poco phone, kasi andun sa ilalim yung How the hell are you supposed to charge it if naka-ipit, diba? So, yan, okay. So, there's 3 modes with this. With the Prestigio, there's 3 modes according to the manual. Okay, nag-picture siya mag-isa. So, ba't siya baliktad? Okay, parang baliktad siya. So anyway, so yan, bumaliktad siya mag-isa. Yan, okay. So, it takes a picture. May option sarili. The 3 modes are follow all motion mode, follow horizontal mode, and lock all mode. Okay? We'll go into that with the review that we're gonna be doing. So, actually, you can, go down siya, go up. Okay, so stable siya mga kaibigan. It can go right, and it can go left. Okay? So you can drop by any Technopop store out of the 12 stores that they have to be able to actually see this or buy it. It's only 3,000 what? 299 with the case. To show you the case, okay. Okay, to show you the case now, I'm gonna open it. Let's turn it off first. Ino-off kita eh. Ba't ka nag-ipaikot-ikot? Okay, so off na siya. Okay. So here's the case. May strap point siya. So, kasi may strap. So you can put on the strap, which is as easy as... No, it's not easy. It's as simple as clipping it on. Okay. And then when you put in the gimbal, wait. Hindi tinuro sa akin nung binili ko eh. Up, you need to adjust it back. Okay. Tapos nakabaligtad po, 'yon oh. Yun. Okay, ganyan, okay? See? It's in. Okay, so dapat naka-side siya para, see, it's not moving na. And then, just cover it. And then, close it. And there's your gimbal from Prestigio, which is only 3,299 available in Technopop stores. Bye, guys!